everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the product Lipsense. If you guys haven't heard of this, according to Lipsense website, it is the original long-lasting lip color. It is waterproof, does not kiss off, rub off, smear off, or budge off. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply it, as well as putting it to 3 tests. First test being if it kisses off, second test being if it's waterproof, and third test is if it stands up to food. So first thing they tell you to do is exfoliate your lips with a lip exfoliator, because they want you to completely dry out your lips and make sure there's no like dead skin or anything. So I'm going to be using e.l.f. Lip Exfoliator. So you can get this in like a bunch of different flavors. I decided to get it in Mint Maniac because who doesn't like mint? So make sure that your lips are a little moist before you apply this. So I just got a damp cloth. And then apply this in circular motions. And then we're just gonna rub that off. And then they have to be like completely dry to apply the lip scent. So today I'm going to be using Fly Girl. I'm always in search of like the perfect red color, and it seems pretty much always impossible to find it, so hopefully this is it. And I have a mirror off to the side. I'm going to be using, I recommend using something where you can get up close and personal with your lips, because you really have to pay attention to detail and where you're getting it, because the first ingredients on here is alcohol denat and a copolymer. If you don't know what polymer means, it's a glue. So first thing they tell you to do is you're going to be outlining your Cupid's bow, starting from the center and going out on each side. Then after that, we're going to be doing the inner waterline of your top lip, and same thing on the bottom. So you're gonna start from here, go all the way around, and then do the waterline. So when applying Lipsense, you wanna apply 3 layers of it. You have to make sure that each layer is dry before applying the next one. It's kind of like nail polish. If you apply a layer of nail polish, if the first layer is not dry, you're gonna fudge up your whole nails. So same thing with Lipsense, so here we go. This stings. You can definitely tell there is alcohol in this, because woo, this is stinging my lips. But so far, even just that first layer looks stinking good. The cool thing about Lipsense is since you're applying 3 layers, you can use 3 different colors, or if you don't want something as dark as your original color, then you can choose another color to lighten it up. So you can basically create your own colors with this. That's kind of cool, being able to create your own colors with your lipstick. Ah. Okay, don't don't stick your lips together in the process of doing this. It's sticky and it will stick. I'm kind of messed up right here. So cool thing is when you buy like your first kit with them, it's like $50, but you get the gloss, any color you want, and then this thing you call an oops remover, because if you oops up, you can easily use this, and it's basically just like an oil. And fix your mistakes. Wish this worked on everything. That was a terrible joke. Oh wow, I thought it was gonna be a lot worse. So these layers kind of take a while to dry. Okay, now that your lips are all dry, we're lastly gonna apply the gloss to it. Basically, the gloss is there to make sure that your lips don't dry out and then that the color doesn't flake off. Plus, this is kind of sticky by itself. And I know a lot of girls out there hate shiny lip gloss or lipstick, and they do offer a matte gloss. They just tell you if you want to use the matte gloss, put the glossy gloss on first, let it dry so that your lips are more hydrated, and then put the matte on. Well, so far, me just doing this, it's not budging, so that's cool. Lipsense does recommend though, as you're going throughout your day, to just reapply the gloss only as you think you need it. Like if you feel like your lips are dry, apply the gloss. Now let's put it to the test. And my face is still wet from that last one. So I'm a broke college student and I didn't have any food in my house except for a Hot Pocket. So we're going to be testing it on this. I'm getting more of this. Well, this passed all 3 tests I ran on this, and I even lasted through my whole entire Hot Pocket, so it's not like it's just I took a bite and then it was fine and then the next bite it was gone. No, it lasted me the whole dang meal. It was great. This passed everything that I did on it. But for the most part, it's amazing. I would give this 5 stars. It passed everything it claims to be. It's not flaking off. It's actually ended up being the red that I've been searching for, so bonus on that as well. They're only $25 a color, so once you get that $50 first set where you get the oops remover, the gloss, and the color, you can expand your colors by just $25 each. And I think that's really affordable compared to some of the things you see at Sephora, which is like $35 for half this size. Like I said, I'm going to be giving this product 5 stars. It does what it's claimed. It's kiss proof, it's smudge proof, it's food proof, it's waterproof, all of the above. Didn't find any faults within that. Shout out to my sister Danielle who introduced me to this item. Also shout out to my boyfriend's sister Alexa who made me this awesome necklace. I'll be putting that link in the description if you guys want to get an awesome necklace like this too. I'll also be putting a link in the description for the distributor who sold me these, and you guys can get your own from there. She's absolutely amazing. She also sells LuLaRoe clothing. If you guys want me to do a product review on LuLaRoe clothing, I will do that as well. There is a bajillion colors, you guys, so you can definitely choose. There's like pinks and reds and wines, everything like that. I want to say thank you guys for watching and thank you for all the support while I'm building this channel. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below, and thank you guys for watching. Oh fudge. I totally oopsed up. Or if it budges off with food. I don't know about... God damn it, cat. Feel free to...